Well, we are trying to make a snowman, but I don't think it's working. Whoa! Try to do something so cute. Hey, good morning, you guys. I woke up about an hour ago. Right now it's 8 o'clock. So I usually wake up around 7 in the morning for my class at 9:20. Today it was cancelled and I was also feeling a bit lazy. It's snowing outside. The view is pretty beautiful. I'm just gonna show you that in a second, but let me just first introduce myself. I'm Neelakshi Sharma from Gurgaon, India. I did my bachelor's in economics honors from Maitri College, University of Delhi. And here I am in Dresden doing my master's in public and international economics, which is completely in English, but I did German till B2 level before I came here. I live in the Studentenwerk building, which is basically like student hostels. I'm going to give you a room tour very quickly. Don't worry about it. So here I am recording a day in my life in Germany. Let me just take you through. You can see. So this is the view I wake up to usually. That's the door. Some of my shoes, boots, my winter boot. This is my laundry bag actually, and we're gonna do laundry in some time. Cupboard, luggage, a lamp. Actually, I got this lamp from Poco, which is it is like IKEA but like a cheaper version of IKEA. I got this lamp for 14 euros and it's a pretty good deal, I would say. My plushie, it's like, I just like to call it that. Some posters, my bed, the window. Then I have my desk. That's like my university bag, some other bags, books. My cute little mandir, skincare, a mirror, and then just some other stuff. That's just like the garbage bag for papers and stuff. Straighteners. These are like just some laddus my mom sent me. That's all. That's my room. Just give you a quick overview, and it's pretty big. I mean, it's very spacious. Dining table, some of the stuff. That's like a refrigerator over there, and look at this. This is a TV. View. Okay, so we all share the utensils together. So we do not have like our own separate utensils. Everything is shared over here. We have a sandwich maker, toaster, oven. Over there we have a microwave. It's like a rice cooker. And then we have like mini refrigerators. This one is mine. That's just how it looks like. Some stuff. And then this shelf, this one is also mine. This one too is like mine. I have like some masala, sauces, bread, cookies, stuff like that. That's just the kitchen. Over here, 2 other rooms over there. Look at this. This is so creepy. And then these are like the stairs. 3 other people live there. That's the main door. Over there is my room. That's my roommate's room. I definitely need tea in the morning, and I also use this plant-based milk, which is like pretty good. I'm just gonna put some hummus on my toast. Well, that's my breakfast, and I'm gonna watch Gossip Girl for some time, and then we'll go do laundry together. Okay, so we're gonna do laundry now finally. Let me just take you through the whole process. I use these rather than the detergent powder. I mean, I just find them handy.
2 hours later.
So a little update. Actually, something happened with the laundry system. I don't know why it was not working properly. So I had to take help from my flatmate. And you know, in the whole process, I just forgot to show you how that works exactly. But I'm gonna go down again because I think the washing part is done. I have to grocery shopping and just quickly went to, get my clothes out from the dryer. Now I think I'm just going to show you what all I got from the supermarket. My snack section, packet of chips, some Krauter butter bread, pizza, coffee, bread, some more bread, falafel, pasta sauce, tomato puree, kidney beans. I've got these like 2 types because I just wanted to try them out, which one is better. I couldn't find a lot of fresh fruits, and I just really wanted to have a good bowl of fresh fruits, but I mean this was the only option left, so I got it. I think it's just a mixture of, I think it's just like berries and stuff like that, juice, milk, tomato puree, I think I said oregano, hummus, another type of a sauce. It's, I think, feta cheese with some olives and stuff. I don't know what that is, but I just wanted to try it out. Then this is one of my favorite cream cheese spread. It's the Krauter butter cream cheese spread. Then some berries, and this is just some other stuff. And the total was 45 euros. I think this is for 3.29 euros. This one was also for 2.29 euros, something like that. Most of the stuff is under 3 euros. So I'll quickly get ready and then we'll head to the library. So I live in this apartment with 6 other people, and we share one common kitchen. But we have 5 different bathrooms. For me, it's like I have a private washroom, but the shower area is shared with another roommate or flatmate, whatever you want to call it. I pay 280 euros per month, which is pretty cheap, I would say, as compared to other cities like Munich or Frankfurt. Over there, the rent is probably about 500, but I'm not sure, of course. The university is not that far. If I take the bus, it is just 5 minutes away. If I prefer walking, then it is around 15 to 20 minutes. And the city center is also not too far. It takes 15 minutes by tram, and if you want to walk, it takes 30 minutes. I used to walk a lot during the autumn season, but now that it's cold, sometimes I just prefer taking the bus. On windy days, I prefer layering up more as compared to snowy days. Whenever it snows, usually the sun comes up and then the weather is actually pretty good. There are, of course, some exceptions, know how. If you're wondering, I'm gonna go like this, no. It is, I think, minus 3 degrees right now outside. So we're gonna layer up as well. The winters can be pretty harsh. Please moisturize your body and your face. It is very important. Probably now I'm gonna wear a full sleeve top over this, then a sweater, then the coat, then I'll take a muffler, gloves. I'm not sure if I should take a cap or not. Let me just go and check. And then we're gonna wear the winter boots because it's snowing and the roads can be pretty slippery. So just please walk carefully. Just talk about the winter depression. I mean, it's an actual thing in Germany. That's what people say. To me, I mean, I agree to a certain percentage, not entirely, because if I believe that if we have like a proper routine and we are being busy, you don't really feel a lot that you're missing your parents, you're missing your family. I mean, at the back of your mind, definitely that thing just goes on. But you know, there are definitely some days when I am at home and I do not have to go to university, like say for example Sunday. So on Sundays I do feel a little lonely, or you know, I just miss my family on those days a little more. I mean, what you can do is just keep yourself distracted, talk to your parents. I talk to my parents every day in the evening. I don't get time in the morning because of the university rush, but I talk to them in the evening almost every day. So here I am having my lunch and I'm talking to my best friend. She lives in India. Say hello. Hey. So I'll see you guys in a second. decorated everywhere. It's too cold. The Christmas party is going on. Oh, sorry, over there. Well, we are trying to make a snowman, but I don't think it's working. Harshita is dead even without gloves. Whoa! Try to do something so cute. So sorry, when I came back from the Christmas party, I was too tired to film anything else, so I just slept. Now it is the next day, and here I am to give you a few tips which I believe is necessary for you to know before you come here. Moreover, I don't think a lot of people talk about these things. So let me just, take you through. Right now, I do not have a part-time job, but I will be starting from 1st of January 2024 as a student research assistant in my university, TU Dresden. How I applied for it, I saw a job vacancy on the university portal, and later in March I will be starting a finance internship in a company. How I found that through Indeed. Now what you can do is, first of all, make your CV, be sure that it is in German. You are required to know some amount of German, and because personally I did not find literally any internship which was completely in English. Either it was completely in German or a mixture of both the languages, German and English. There are a lot of people who said that they found an English English job or English internship, like English speaking internship. I was not able to find that. I don't know how they are finding it, but you need German. That's what I believe. Without that, I don't think you will be able to secure a lot of interviews, or you will be able to secure a lot of positions. So just learn German, make your CV in German, check out all the job portals, check out LinkedIn, Indeed, or any other job portals. I'm sure there will be some sort of a career club in your university. Go to them. In TU Dresden, it is called STAV, STAV. So I went to their office. I registered over there. They connected me with some of the employers, and I really got a good opportunities from them. So just check out every option. Let me tell you something, it takes time. I started applying for internships or part-time jobs even before I came to Germany. I think I started that in July end or August first week, and I received 50 plus rejections first. Then I think when I came to Germany, and I think from the second week of October or the last week of October, I started receiving a few interviews. So the process is pretty long. You're supposed to be patient. You're supposed to keep trying. Even if now I have my part-time job, but I'm still applying for a lot of opportunities. If I find something interesting, keep doing that. You may end up with something very nice. So don't lose hopes, keep trying. I believe that the directness of Germans is often mistaken for rudeness, especially from people like us who are coming from India, where the indirect approach is more common. We as Indians, we are not okay when we listen to the word no, or when someone else is putting themselves first instead of us. I mean, that is only a mere culture difference. You belong to another country, Germans belong to another country. Of course, there will be some differences. There will be. But what I feel is that when you're coming to another country, you should respect their culture too. So just for example, if you're talking loud in the train and some person is staring at you, the Germans are staring at you, please do not consider this as an uncomfortable situation. You're doing something which is not acceptable to them, and they will stare back. Maybe someone might even tell you to please just stay quiet. That is not rudeness. They are being very straightforward about what they like and what they don't like. And when you're in another country, you're supposed to respect that. So always keep an open mind, and it is okay to make mistakes. You learn that way. Being in a new environment, in a new country can be pretty challenging, especially when it comes to making friends. I mean, it is very difficult. It is not easy to make friends, let me tell you that. But if you don't put yourself out there, it is going to be even more difficult for you. I'm pretty sure that there will be a lot of engaging activities happening at your university. There will be a lot of social gatherings. How you get to know about this? Just go onto your university website. I'm pretty sure there will be some sort of a newsletter which you can subscribe to, and then you will get these emails about all the gatherings taking place, all the parties taking place, and then you can attend them. That's how you will make new friends. By the time you make some new friends, try to enjoy your own company as well. There was I think 1 or 2 weeks ago, I went to this restaurant alone. I thought, okay, let's just do this. I was there for 1 hour. I felt so awkward. I cannot tell you about it. I felt super awkward. I opened my tab, I was watching something on Netflix, I was eating my food, and everybody around me, they were not staring at me, but I felt like, oh, they might be looking towards me. Oh no, I was just feeling super awkward. It is okay. And when I came back, to my place again, I just felt that if I'm gonna do this in the next time, it's going to be easier than the first time. So it's okay. Just keep an open mind, engage in activities, know that what you are feeling right now is what the other person is also feeling. Maybe this will, help you calm yourself down a bit and help you gain that confidence that, okay, I can put myself out there. I can go to that social gathering. It is fine. So that's all from my end. Thank you so much. See you.